In this video, let us make attempt to solve for x given x plus 5 is equal to x. Well, given x plus 5 is equal to x. Usually, to solve a problem like this, you want to collect like terms. The easiest way to do this will probably be to move this to the other side or bring this to the left and then transfer 5 to the other side. That is, you do this x minus this x is equal to, taking this to the other side, you have negative 5. This gives us x minus x is 0, and a 0 is not equal to negative 5. So whichever way you have decided to move your variables, you will still arrive at something similar to this, which is not going to be correct. However, if we look at the problem again, x plus 5 is equal to x. Before we move the variables, let us square both sides of this equation. So I'm going to have x plus 5 squared is equal to x raised to power 2. X plus 5 squared simply means x plus 5 times x plus 5, then equal to x raised to power 2. This will give us x times x, which is x squared, plus x times 5. This will give us 5x, plus another 5x, then plus 5 times 5. This will give us 25. And now equal to x squared. We have x squared on the right and x squared on the left. So we can get rid of x squared on both sides, leaving us with 5x plus 5x here. This will give us 10x plus 25 is equal to 0. This would then imply 10x is equal to negative 25. Let's divide both sides by 10. This here will take care of this. 5 here is 2. 5 in 25 is 5. So our x is equal to negative 5 over 2, which appeared to be a different solution from what we got from earlier. Now with this, before we conclude, we need to verify. So we check to confirm that this solution is correct by substituting into the given problem. We were given x plus 5 is equal to x. Now in place of x here, we'll put negative 5 over 2. This will then give us negative 5 over 2 plus 5 is equal to negative 5 over 2. Let us take the LCM of the left-hand side. This is 2. So here we have negative 5. And then here we have plus 10. This is equal to negative 5 over 2. Now, minus 5 plus 10 is positive 5 divided by 2, which is equal to negative 5 over 2. So as you can see, we have the exact same value but opposing sign. This is negative, whereas this is positive. So the left we have positive 2.5, and on the right we have negative 2.5. So because the left-hand side is not equal to the right-hand side, it also means that the solution is not correct. And therefore, this value, which appeared to be like a real solution, is actually not acceptable. So this problem has no solution. Thanks for watching. Please like and share, and also remember to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.